Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can restore deleted pages in your notebooks on Microsoft OneNote in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, let me navigate to that example notebook here and delete, let's say, that untitled page here. Right click into it, choose delete. Now it has been moved to the deleted pages folder, or so-called recycle bin. Now to access this, you will need to navigate to the history tab here, and here guys you will see below the option notebook recycle bin. So navigate to it, and that is going to navigate you or redirect you to the deleted notes and pages section of the selected notebook. And here in that list you will see all pages you have removed. Bear in mind though that items from you delete here from your notebook get deleted automatically after 60 days by Microsoft OneNote. So you will have up to 60 days after the deletion to restore it, or otherwise it will be deleted permanently. So right click into the given page, and you may use one of these options. For example, add to your Copilot notebook, create a new one, or left click into it, hold your left mouse and move it to one of your notebooks, release your left mouse, and that is going to restore the page. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.